Samsung is gearing up to unveil its next-generation foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, on July 9, 2025. But the competition in the book-style foldable smartphone market is heating up fast. Alongside Honor's anticipated Magic V5, Samsung now faces a serious challenger in the form of Vivo's newly launched X Fold 5. And make no mistake, the Vivo X Fold 5 is not just another foldable. It's packed with top-tier specs, a sleek design, and a surprisingly competitive price tag that could make Samsung sweat. Magnifying glass tilted left Vivo X Fold 5, specs that impress. The Vivo X Fold 5 boasts an expansive 8.03-inch LTPO AMOLED foldable display with a crisp 2480 by 2200 resolution, buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a jaw-dropping 4500 nits peak brightness. On the outside, the 6.53-inch cover screen is equally impressive, offering 2748 by 1172 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and an industry-leading 5500 nits brightness with Armor 2 protection. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of storage. It runs on Android 15 with Vivo's custom Origin OS 5. Camera with flash camera and battery, built for power users. Vivo didn't hold back on the camera setup either. The X Fold 5 features a triple 50MP rear camera system, wide, periscope telephoto, 3x optical zoom, and ultrawide, all with PDF and OIS. For selfies, you get dual 20MP cameras on both the cover and foldable displays. Despite its slim 9.2mm profile, the phone packs a massive 6000 mAh battery with 80W wired and 40W wireless charging. It's also the first foldable to feature an IP59 rating for dust and water resistance. Crossed swords Galaxy Z Fold 7 vs Vivo X Fold 5, who wins? Based on leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold May 7th edge out the Vivo X Fold 5 in raw processing power, Snapdragon 8 Elite vs Gen 3, and rear camera resolution, 200MP vs 50MP. But Vivo strikes back with brighter displays, more RAM, faster storage, higher resolution secondary cameras, a bigger battery, and better durability. Moneybag price war, Vivo undercuts Samsung. Perhaps the most compelling part? The price. Vivo's X Fold 5 starts at just 6,999 Chinese yuan, approximate $976, for the 12GB plus 256GB model, with the top-tier 16GB plus 1TB version priced at 9,499 Chinese yuan. In contrast, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at 12,599 Chinese yuan in China, and the Z Fold 7 is expected to match or exceed that. With flagship-level specs and a significantly lower price, the Vivo X Fold 5 could be the foldable to beat in 2025.